RGM Watch Company was founded in 1992 by Roland G. Murphy. Today, it's considered one of the only companies in America devoted to old world watchmaking.
There's no electronics, there's no circuit boards, so there's a whole lot more involved in producing it in something traditional that can be beautifully built and still be admired and appreciated here today. It's really more about the craftsmanship, where virtually no one is making mechanical watch movements in series here in America. We're the only one. Making one of our watches with an in-house movement, it is a process.
To create a watch, Roland first drafts the design, then a 3D program models each part. Next, the movement bridges and main plate are constructed and decorated. The main plate is what the movement parts of the watch will be fitted to, and the bridges will mount onto the main plate to support the inner workings of the watch. For efficiency's sake, RGM makes these pieces in batches of 100 or less. After they're made, it's time to build a watch. First, the movement pieces are assembled. These are the engine of the watch, with all the gears working together to keep time. Next, the watch face or dial is engraved using the guilloché lathe or rose engine, which dates back to 1857. The guilloché makes each watch unique. Since it's done by hand, there will be minuscule differences between each watch. Guilloché is associated with Swiss and German-made watches and is rarely done in the US. The finished numbered dial is now attached to the movement of the watch. Then the watch hands are attached and the dial movement is cased. On average, the entire assembly process takes 3 to 5 days and involves 1 or 2 watchmakers. RGM creates one-of-a-kind custom pieces that sell for thousands of dollars, like this Kauai model, estimated to cost $13,900, and watches in series that range from $2,750 to $98,500. The team of 9 handcrafts about 200 watches each year.